Stop right there. If you think swollen feet after 60 is just some harmless morning heaviness, you might be ignoring a serious health warning. Because sometimes those subtle changes in your feet are the very first signs that your body is slowly losing its internal balance. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the hidden causes that silently weaken your legs over time, and more importantly, I'll show you natural, practical ways to fix them that most people over 60 have never been taught properly. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a silent mistake that over 80% of older adults are making, which only makes the situation worse without them even realizing it. Cause 1. Poor circulation, swollen feet. One of the most common reasons for swollen feet is poor circulation, swollen feet. When blood flow slows, fluid in your body tends to pool in your feet, especially after lying still all night. This explains why poor circulation, swollen feet is so common among people over 60. According to Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic, weak circulation reduces the body's ability to return blood and excess fluid to the heart. This leads to swollen feet after 60, often most noticeable in the mornings. If left unaddressed, poor circulation, swollen feet isn't just uncomfortable. It can signal serious health risks like heart or blood vessel issues. The good news is you can improve poor circulation, swollen feet with small daily changes. One easy step is to elevate your feet above heart level for 15 to 20 minutes each day. This helps blood flow back to the heart, reduces vein pressure, and prevents fluid buildup in your feet. Another helpful habit is gentle exercises before bed. Try simple movements like ankle rotations or light stretches. These stimulate natural blood flow, making a big difference over time. With consistency, you'll notice your feet feel lighter, less swollen, and more flexible each morning. If you're dealing with swollen feet after 60 regularly, these natural solutions are a great place to start today. But poor circulation is just one piece of the puzzle. What other hidden causes could be making your feet swelling and elderly worse? Let's dive into the next cause. Cause 2. Fluid retention, elderly. Another major factor is fluid retention, elderly, which can quietly disrupt your body. When fluid retention, elderly occurs, it doesn't just cause your feet to swell every morning. It's a sign your body is struggling internally. A 65-year-old woman from Chicago shared that every morning she had to wear shoes a size larger due to swollen feet. She initially thought it was just aging, but her doctor revealed her body was retaining fluid too long without properly eliminating it. This is a classic example of fluid retention, elderly that many seniors overlook. When your body holds onto fluid for too long, your feet aren't the only thing affected. Your heart and kidneys work harder than they should. Fluid retention, elderly is like a slow-burning problem, eroding your health while you only notice swollen feet each morning. Many people turn to diuretic pills to flush out fluid, but this is a temporary fix. Diuretics can disrupt your body's electrolyte balance, leading to other issues. To manage fluid retention, elderly safely and sustainably, natural approaches are key. I'll share specific strategies in the next section to help you address this condition without pills. Have you ever thought a daily habit might be quietly making your feet swell more? Keep watching because the next part will surprise you. Cause 3. Silent inflammation causing foot swelling. Foot inflammation causes often stem from small, cumulative stresses over time. It's not just major injuries that cause inflammation. Standing too long, walking excessively, or wearing ill-fitting shoes can quietly harm your feet. Many people notice slight redness or warmth and grab over-the-counter creams. But with foot inflammation causes, careless medication use can worsen skin damage and spread inflammation deeper into tissues. Some think mild foot pain means they should exercise harder to fix it fast. In reality, when tissues are inflamed, added pressure makes things worse. For foot inflammation causes, rest and gentle movement are the right path to healing. Another habit to avoid is walking barefoot on cold floors. Inflamed feet are sensitive to temperature. Cold exposure can constrict blood vessels, slowing recovery and increasing swelling. To tackle foot inflammation causes effectively, listen to your body and adjust habits wisely. Don't let small daily actions worsen your foot condition. You've now heard 3 common causes. Which one have you experienced? Leave a comment below and I'll share tailored solutions for you. But these causes are just the surface. A more dangerous factor, if ignored, not only causes foot swelling, but can harm your heart and kidneys daily. Stay alert because the next section isn't just about your feet, it's about your survival. Cause 4, heart and kidney connection. Here's a shocking truth. Your swollen feet in the morning might not be your feet's fault at all. The heart and kidney connection is more critical than you think. A weak heart struggles to pump blood effectively, causing blood to pool in your lower limbs. Similarly, poorly functioning kidneys can't filter excess fluid from your body. The result is waking up with morning foot edema seniors, feeling heavy and stiff from your first step. Feet swelling in elderly isn't just getting older. It's a silent alarm that your circulatory and excretory systems need help. Ignoring the root cause could lead to serious consequences. To intervene, protect your heart and kidney health with small changes. Cut back on salt, stay hydrated, move gently, and check blood pressure regularly. These steps strengthen your body's foundation and support how to reduce foot swelling naturally sustainably. To learn more ways to keep feet healthy and improve circulation after 60, check my playlist Foot Problems and AMP, Circulation After 60. It's packed with practical tips. Watch it after this video to help your feet stop swelling and stay strong. If you've woken up with heavy, uncomfortable feet, don't ignore it. The hidden cause might surprise you. Cause 5, morning foot edema seniors. During sleep, your body lies flat for hours, letting blood and fluid pool in your feet. Younger people's circulation adjusts quickly, but for those over 60, it's slower, leading to feet swelling in elderly upon waking. Many seniors dismiss this, thinking morning movement will fix it. But without changing sleep habits, morning foot edema seniors will recur and may worsen. A simple solution is adjusting your sleep position. Place a small pillow under your calves to elevate feet slightly above heart level. Consider light compression socks at night for better blood flow. This is an effective way for how to reduce foot swelling naturally, recommended by doctors. But that's just the start. The next cause is sneakier, quietly worsening foot swelling daily. Cause 6, medication side effects. It's not just age or circulation. Sometimes, daily medications quietly cause more foot swelling. Drugs for blood pressure, arthritis, or chronic pain can make your body retain excess fluid, worsening feet swelling in elderly. Mayo Clinic notes that calcium channel blockers, corticosteroids, and NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can cause fluid retention, increasing fluid buildup in your legs. This leads to morning foot edema seniors and swelling all day if ignored. Many over 60 think swollen feet after 60 is normal aging. But medication side effects are often the hidden culprit. If you suspect your drugs cause swelling, don't stop them alone. Talk to your doctor. A dose tweak or different medication can help. This is a key step in how to reduce foot swelling naturally, per experts. We're nearing the silent mistake over 80% of seniors make, worsening their feet swelling unknowingly. Let's finish the video to avoid this mistake before it harms your foot health. Cause 7, harmful daily habits. You might exercise, hydrate, and eat well, but small daily habits can still cause foot swelling. This is the silent mistake over 80% of seniors make unnoticed. Sitting or standing too long slows blood flow, causing fluid to pool in your feet, a major cause of feet swelling in elderly after 60. Sleeping with feet lower than your heart worsens morning foot edema seniors, leaving heavy feet upon waking. A high salt, low potassium diet also makes your body retain fluid. Mayo Clinic suggests cutting salt and eating potassium-rich foods like bananas and avocados to support how to reduce foot swelling naturally. with the full picture: circulation, fluid retention, medications, and habits. You can protect your foot health. Small changes today will make your feet lighter each morning and stronger after 60. Share your experiences in the comments. I'm here to help. Don't miss my playlist Foot Problems and AMP, Circulation After 60 for more tips. Watch now to keep your feet healthy long term.